Hello friends, so in this video we are going to look at another amazing strategy based on swing trading. So yes, we are going to use another indicator over here which is called reversal zones swing. Okay, we are going to combine reversal zones swing with A3 zones. Okay, turn off all other zones, A1 and A2 zones, just keep the A3 zones. Alright, and what is the strategy? We are going to play between the zones, or we are going to take trades on the breakouts of both the zones. Okay, we are going to make use of confluence over here. If you look at it, I mean, it must be self-explanatory. Okay, this is the most amazing strategy of all strategies that I have explained to you. Okay, we are going to combine. I mean, you will not able to see a strategy like this in the entire market. I can say it for sure. What you are getting is A1 strategy. Okay, and so this is a self-explanatory. Look at this buying pressure. In the previous video I have mentioned that have a look on these VIX, which is a major contribution for the buyers. Okay, this is a major another indication for you that the sellers have gone and the buyers have come. So what do you do? I will keep a check on this whenever things like this happens on the confluence. What is confluence? When one or two things applies and one or two more signals gives for your strategy. So here there is a two zones overlapping and it has taken a good support here, and probably you can take a risk. For the people who can take some risk, you can go long over the close of this red candle. Keep the stop loss below this. Okay, look at the risk reward ratio here, 1:, almost 4. Okay, so look at the swing trading, 1:4 is too huge, guys. And look at this, look at the move, and then it took a reversal from the zones. It's just like all the stock market is based on these zones. Okay, look at this, it has taken a reversal and then it has come down, correct? And again it has taken a support here and went up. So you can take the reversal trading like this, and when you see a breakout like this, okay, when you see, I would not go long, to be frank, looking at these two candle. Okay, although it has gone up, what you can do is probably you can enter when these two candles are broken. Your entry could be here, your stop loss could be somewhere, a small stop loss of 10 rupees or 15 rupees stop loss. Don't keep it below the zones and all. It doesn't make sense, right? Because if we keep below the zones, the risk would be very much higher. And this is how it works. You can see the result, how beautifully it has gone up. Let's go for another stock. Look at this beauty, it has taken a support and gone up. So this is how you take up a trade. Don't expect huge returns and all. Just aim for a very small profits. Probably can hold for 1 or 2 days, or maybe 3 days or 5 days. That's it. Don't look for more than that. Okay, look at this beauty. The moment it touches this candle, it went up. I would have definitely gone long with all my positions, with all my capital, not all my capital, of course, following the risk management and money management. I would have entered here with a stop loss of here and a target of up to here. The first target was easily achieved, and then I would re-enter after both the zones were broken. Okay, probably I would have entered here. Okay, I would have entered here, a 10 or 15 rupees stop loss somewhere around here. Stop loss you can keep it, or if you can take a huge stop loss, I mean huge risk, I mean not huge risk, if you can take this risk, you can take it up. And look at the move, guys. And then next month there will be a new zones, and it took reversal and it came down. Isn't that amazing? Let's look at Apollo Hospital. Look at this. There will be a play between the zones, and the moment it crosses both the zones, look at the momentum. It is like a game only, guys. Once you get the knack of these strategies, you can make money crazily. I have taken trades based on these, and look at this fall. Apollo Hospital, I don't remember taking any trades in Apollo Hospital. Probably I would have taken, I'm not sure. So yeah, Balkrishna is one of the trades that I had taken in the YouTube. I have posted it. You can have a look up to it. This is the trend line. Yes, you can combine price action pattern, and candlesticks or the basics, right? You can apply it for any strategy. And look at this. After the break, I almost took 4 trades and made hell lot of money in Balakrishna, guys. Because mainly I know that it broken from the trend line, and it definitely has to touch these zones, these 2 zones, right? So what I did, I went short here. I still remember I went short here when there is a break, when there is a test and a fake breakout, and then I entered here, I closed here, and then I'm not sure where I entered in the next trade, but what I did, I entered somewhere around here, and the moment there was a gap down, I closed my position here, and then I went short here, looking at this huge 30 minutes red candle, and I closed it here. Almost I think I took 4 trades. Probably for the entry and exit, you can check my YouTube channel regarding the Balakrishna trades. I have explained it there, and then you can come again and see for the confirmation. The reason is it broke the trend line, and I was very sure that it has to touch these zones, correct? So that these strategies will give you the confidence. Many ask me, how do you get that confidence to trade even though it goes to minus, right? Sometimes it goes up to minus 14,000, minus 15,000, and I still hold the trade. This strategy gives me that confidence. Okay, probably I'll just go to some other stock. I'm not going to cherry pick here. I'll just go and look at this oil. Probably you can take an entry. Look at this, guys. This is the trend line, right? There was a trend line break. The moment it breaks the trend line, you can enter and keep the target as our zones. But although there was a huge move, and after the zones are crossed, you can probably enter here, correct? In any of the pullback candle. In any of the pullback candle, you can enter and put your stop loss on top of this. Look at this. It touched the zones and went up. I told you, right? This is like a game, and once you get the hang of the strategy, you will make good money, guys. I don't want to motivate a lot, but I'm just saying what it is. I have to be honest, right? So both positive and minus, I will be honest about that. Okay, look at this. Touch the zones, went up. Touch the zones, went up. I know you don't have much capital, but it is fine. This is for the people who have less capital. It's fine. You can still make money with the cash market. Enter with 10 or 15 shares. You make easy money, right? For the office goers, you don't have to worry. You can make easy money using these strategies. Okay. Probably I'll go for one more stock here. Wipro. Look at this. It touched the zones, come here. Touch the zones, come here. Touch the zones, come here. After the break, look at the move. Right? This is how I made a good money. I doubled my capital, and I made a hell lot of money during the Corona crash. I won't be able to give up the figures, but I made a huge money, guys. So I'm very sure that you can also make money, because I come from a normal background. I don't have a financial background. I had to struggle a lot. I had to go through all of the strategies, and these are the one that I rely on still. These are the strategies that gives me money on a consistently for a weekly basis or a monthly basis. Okay, so that would be all for this strategy. Thank you so much, and if you have any doubts, let me know.